let's do this little get ready with me. I have a makeup idea in mind, something super simple, so let's do this. I hope it will be as nice as I imagine it to be in my head. So first of all, I will just brush a bit my eyebrows up. I always do this. It kind of just helps me to see better the eyelid and kind of what I'm doing. It frames everything. By the way, I do have some fake tan on, as you can see, so I'm a bit like tanner than usual. I used Isle of Paradise, which I love. They have the face and body drops that you put into the cream, and then you kind of put it all over, and this is a tan, and I'm liking it. I love Isle of Paradise, and I love Saint-Tropez as well, like in terms of tans. So the first thing I will use, of course, my concealer. I'm using the Shiseido Synchro Skin Concealer, liquidy one. I am obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with Shiseido's face products at the moment. I love their Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. The matte foundation is also nice, but I like a glow, a bit of a glow. I realized my microphone was off, so now the sound should be better. And this is the shade 102, which, as you can see, is quite fair. It works for me when I'm not tanned, but I still like this lighter kind of color because it will make the colors pop. I'll use a bit of this shade just all over the eyelid, so I kind of set the concealer. Now I will be using my Suva Beauty palette, and I will just take this kind of navy blue, and this will be our main color that I will use on the eyes. So I think I will just create some like an interesting eyeliner shape. Okay, so I added the blue and a bit of white, kind of like to have two lines. When I open the eyes, you kind of don't really see it, so I like this kind of effect. Now I just want to add a bit of this Makeup by Mario Metals eyeshadow, and I will just add it here in the center and concentrate the color in the middle, and then kind of blend it a little bit. Not really, I mean, they're symmetrical like this, but when I open the eyes they will not be as symmetrical because my face is asymmetric, and that's normal. So I do have some more loose skin on one eye than on the other one, and more crease on one eye than on the other one, so of course they will just look a bit different when I open the eyes. And as a mascara, I'm using my Lash Alert mascara from Eyeko. I really love Eyeko as a brand for mascaras, eyeliners, because they do create really, really good mascaras. They have really nice formulas. They're probably like my second favorite after the Japanese formulas. You know that I'm a fan of those. I also applied false lashes, and I'm using the Sweet Lashes and Nikki makeup collaboration in the No Lash blush. Lifting the eyes, giving you those kind of fish tail effect, almost fishtail shape of the lash, and I love that. It looks extremely good, but they're expensive. Moving on to the face, I'm using my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base, which, you know, I absolutely love. This is so good, so rich. Is one of the best primers for the face because it really kind of just smooths everything out. Even if you have some, I don't know, flaky skin, dry skin, enlarged pores, it's not like extremely silicone-y and slippery. It's more like a moisturizer with primer properties. And as a foundation, my Synchro Skin Radiant Lift from Shiseido. As I said, I love this. Apply this all over. And I'm blending it with my favorite beauty sponge from e.l.f. This foundation gives a lot of coverage. And my Shiseido concealer. This will also kind of brighten the area a bit, which I don't mind at all. And just setting the under eyes with my Dior cushion powder. This one is in lavender, so it's like a light lavender kind of color. And as a bronzer, I'm using this Dior powder. This is the Backstage Face and Body Powder No Powder in 4N. And I really, really love how this looks on the skin. Blends beautifully. And as a highlighter, you know what it is. My Nars Illuminator, which I'm using. I feel like I'm using this non-stop all the time for like the past month. Gives that wet, glowy effect. Now for the lips, I think I will just choose something soft, glossy. So I will do the contour with my favorite lip pencil ever, the LimeCrime Taupeist. Because it just looks like my natural lip color. And I'm using my Wonderskin lip gloss. Like more towards the center. And that's it, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!